Are you paying too much for refrigerated shipping? Are you being restricted by refrigeration and insulated containers? Take control of your shipping needs with ProTech Cargo and receive the same effect at a fraction of the cost. Products such as beverages, chemicals, food products, pharmaceuticals, and many more are extremely sensitive to temperature. Delivering product at its best depends heavily on how reliably you can control your product's temperature during transport. Unfortunately, the one place where they'll be most exposed is during transit from your facility to the shelf. By blanketing your product upon departure, you will greatly reduce the risk. ProTech Cargo's insulating cargo blankets are designed and engineered to deliver a sound thermal environment during transportation. In order to understand how our insulating blanket works, it is important to understand how heat is transferred or travels. There are three forms of heat transfer. They are conduction, convection, and radiation. Radiation from the sun's rays strikes the shipping container's roof and then turns its energy into conductive heat as it travels through solid materials such as the metal roof. Once it meets the airspace below the shipping container's roof, heat will then re-radiate down toward the product inside the shipping container. The insulating blanket shell will reflect 96% of the radiant heat back up towards the shipping container's roof. The shipping container's roof and sidewalls also create convective heat currents. The core insulating fibers inside the blanket prevent most of the convective heat from reaching the product. Our insulating blankets also stop heat transfer in cold winter months. The blanket's core fibers stop cold convective currents from cooling the product, and the insulating blanket shell reflects the radiant heat emanating up from the product and thereby reducing radiation emissions. ProTech Cargo's insulating blankets have been put to the test for years and are used daily by customers all over the United States. Not only are ProTech's blankets simple to adhere, but we make the return process effortless. You can ship your product covered with ProTech's blanket anywhere in the U.S., and ProTech will handle the return process of tracking and retrieval of blankets, blanket pickup from the end users, and delivery of new blanket to each shipper. There is no startup cost. You are not billed for the blankets until after your product is shipped. ProTech Cargo gives you one set price year-round, provides free delivery and pickup, and no charge for lost or damaged blankets. No more being restricted by refrigeration or insulated container availability. Make the switch to ProTech Cargo and start saving money now. Take control of your shipping needs with ProTech Cargo